Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. This is class 10th, subject English, and today we are going to cover next lecture of chapter 8, The Hack Driver. This chapter is taken from supplementary book and this is lecture 2. So let us start. Now let us see the subtopics that today we are going to cover. So topics to be covered today. First of all, we shall read chapter highlights and then we shall read word meanings, and after that we shall discuss homework solution of lecture 1. Lecture 1 of this chapter. The chapter is The Hack Driver. So in previous lecture we have already discussed about the introduction of the writer as well as the chapter, main characters, and we have also discussed the overview of the chapter. So let us start chapter highlights. Chapter highlights means the main points of this chapter, the hack driver. So the first point of chapter highlight is the narrator completed his graduation in law and joined a big firm as a junior assistant clerk. He was given the dirty and dangerous job of serving summons. Actually, the narrator was a lawyer, and after completing his graduation, he became a junior assistant clerk in a reputed law firm. And there he was not assigned to prepare legal briefs but to serve summons like a cheap private detective. He gets an opportunity to go to a village to serve summons. So once he got this opportunity, a helpful hack driver at the station offers to take him in his cart and find Lutkins. So one day he was sent to a town named New Mullion to serve summons to Oliver Lutkins. Summons means court orders. So he was sent to New Mullion to serve summons on Oliver Lutkins. So there, when he reached, a helpful cart driver at the station offers to take him in his cart and find Lutkins. He offers his help to the narrator. Next point, the driver takes him to all the places where Lutkins could be found but fails to locate him. He shows him the village and describes the country life. Now the hack driver said that he knew about Oliver Lutkins, so he took him to all the places where Lutkins could be found, but they failed to locate him, to find him. So the hack driver showed him the village and described the country life to him. Now the next point, they do not find Lutkins, but the lawyer is very happy. The narrator is very happy to find such a friendly and helpful man. Means he was very happy to meet a friendly person, the hack driver. So the hack driver took him to different places to search Lutkins, but they were unable to find Lutkins. But still, the lawyer, the narrator, was very happy because he was happy to have such a good friend. Now next, after that they even visit Lutkin's home and meet his mother, who frightens them away. She was called very terrible. The lawyer ends up paying for 6 hours to the hack driver. Means he paid him for 6 hours. After that he returns, means the narrator returns to the city. His chief is very angry at his failure to find Lutkins. The chief sends the lawyer back the next day with a man who knows Lutkins. So the lawyer shows him the helpful hack driver. Means when he got failed in finding Oliver Lutkins, he returned back to the city, but there his chief got very angry and he once again his boss ordered the narrator to go back to New Mullion. So this time he also sent with the narrator a man who knew Oliver Lutkins very well because he had worked with him. So when the lawyer reached there, he shows him that helpful hack driver. Means the narrator introduced Bill Magnuson to his companion and also narrated how he had helped him in searching Oliver Lutkins. Now his companion tells him that the hack driver was Oliver Lutkins. The lawyer feels very embarrassed and unhappy when he serves a summons to a laughing Oliver Lutkins. So the person who went with him, means his companion, told the narrator that he was not Bill Magnuson. The hack driver was not Bill Magnuson but Oliver Lutkins himself. So the narrator served summons to Lutkins. At this, Lutkins and his mother laughed at him as if he were a boy of 7. He made, means the hack driver or Oliver Lutkins and his mother made fun of the narrator, and the narrator also feels very embarrassed and unhappy. Now let us read word meaning of this chapter. So the first word is summons, as you have read many times this word in this chapter. This means an order to appear before a judge, means this is an order from court side. Next is country, means outskirts. It means countryside, means village. Agreeable sight, pleasant sight, that is very pleasant to us. Then detective. Detective means a person whose occupation is to investigate and solve crimes. Then rejoice. Rejoice means happiness. It means feel or show great joy or delight. So these are the word meanings. Now next word. Next word is greasy, means containing or cooked with a large amount of fat. Next is wisdom. It means good sense or judgment. Then creek. It means a narrow area of water that flows into the land from the sea. Next word is philosophy. It means a particular set of ideas about knowledge, truth, the nature and meaning of life, etc. Next is meadow. It means a piece of grassland. Next word, it is seized, means get hold of. Retreat, an act of moving back or withdrawing. Next word is barn. It means a large farm building used for storing hay or grain, etc. Next word is swearing. It means rude or offensive language that someone uses, especially when they are angry. Next is peering. It means to look carefully or with difficulty. So these are the word meaning. So you are supposed to read these words carefully and try to understand their meaning. Now your homework. Homework is to read the chapter thoroughly and write down all the question and answers and word meaning as well that we have done today in your English notebook. So beta, you all are supposed to read the chapter thoroughly. Reading is must, and write down all the question answers in your fair notebook, and word meaning which we have discussed today, that also you have to write. I hope you have understood this chapter. So write down all the question answers and send at my email address. Now beta, let us discuss the homework solution of lecture 1, class 10th, subject English. Homework solution of lecture 1 of chapter 8, the hack driver. Some questions were given to you to find the answers. So let us discuss those answers. First question was, why is the lawyer sent to New Mullion? It was the name of a village. So why was he sent there? And what does he first think about the place? So the answer is, the lawyer was sent to New Mullion. The reason behind it, he was sent to serve summons on Oliver Lutkins, who was actually needed as a witness in a law case. In a court case, Oliver Lutkins was needed as a witness. So he first thinks that the place must be very sweet, must be very clean, a sweet and a simple country village. Actually, he thought that the place to be a very sweet and simple country village, but actually it was not such. Now next question. Who befriends lawyer and where does he take him? So the answer is, a hack driver at the station who called himself Bill Magnuson, he said that his name was Bill Magnuson, befriends him. He told the lawyer that he knew Lutkins and he would help him in finding Oliver Lutkins. Bill took him to all the places where Lutkins was known to hang out. He said that he would help the narrator to find Oliver Lutkins, so he took him all the places where Lutkins could be found. Now where did they go? He took the lawyer or the narrator to Fred's shop where Lutkins played a lot of poker. Poker is a card game. Then to Gustav's barber shop, and then to Gray's barber shop. Then after that to the pool room and several other places before finally taking him to Lutkins' mother's farm. However, Oliver Lutkins was not found. Means they went to different places like Fred's shop, then Gustav's shop, then Gray's shop, after that pool room, and finally they went to Lutkins' mother's farm, but they were unable to find Oliver Lutkins. Now next question. What does Bill say about Lutkins? So the answer is Bill told the lawyer, Bill means Bill Magnuson, the hack driver, told the lawyer that Lutkins was a hard person to find as he was always busy in some activity or the other. So it was very difficult task to find him. He owed money to many people, including Bill, and had never paid back anybody. So he also said that Lutkins played a lot of poker, poker means card game, and was good at deceiving people. So these are the points that he described. He said that Lutkins was a hard fellow to catch. He was always up to something or the other. He owed money to many people, and he also played a lot of poker, and he was good at deceiving people. Now next question. What more does Bill say about Lutkins and his family? Means what more things did he tell? So Bill told the lawyer that he knew mother of Lutkins. He said that she was a terror. She was a terrible woman. Then he narrated an incident when he took a trunk to her once and she almost took his skin off because he did not carry it carefully. So he told the lawyer about Lutkins' mother, and he said that she was a terror, and he even narrated an incident also which happened with him. He also said that she was very tall. She was very tall. She was about 9 feet tall and bulky. She was very quick and could talk a lot. Means she was very talkative. He said that Lutkins must have heard that somebody was chasing him and consequently would have gone into hiding at his mother's place. So he said that she was about 9 feet tall and 4 feet thick. She was very bulky, she was very quick, and she was very talkative. He said that Oliver Lutkins must have heard that somebody was chasing him, following him. That's why he would have gone at his mother's place. Now next question. Who is Lutkins? This was the 5th question. The hack driver himself is Lutkins, but he pretends to be Bill Magnuson. He tricks the lawyer, he befools the lawyer to avoid the summons to be a witness in a case. He does not want to go with him. That's why he befools him. When the lawyer reached New Mullion, did Bill know that he was looking for Lutyens. And when do you think Bill Magnuson came up with his plan for fooling the lawyer? So in first question we have found that the hack driver himself was Oliver Lutyens, but he always pretended to be Bill Magnuson, the hack driver. He befooled the lawyer to avoid the summons because he did not want to go to the court. That's why he tried to befool him. Now the next question is given. Let us read the answer of this sixth question. So the answer is no. Bill Magnuson did not know initially that the lawyer was looking for him. The narrator was searching him. He must have made his plan for fooling the lawyer when the lawyer told him that he was looking for Lutyens, as he knew that he was required as a witness but did not want to give his testimony, means he did not want to go there. So this is the answer, means here we have read the hack driver made his plan when he came to know that the lawyer had come to find Oliver Lutyens to serve summons. So Oliver knew that he was needed as a witness in a law case. So it is entirely possible that he was prepared for such a situation. So that's why he did not want to go there. This is the reason he made this plan to befool the narrator. I hope you have understood all the question answers. So you have to write down all the question answers in your fair notebook. Thank you.